Today I'm going to be describing what is a point of inflection and how to calculate it if you're asked to calculate the point of inflection of a particular graph. Say we are given the graph f of x is equal to negative x cubed plus 13x plus 12, and we are asked to find the inflection point of this particular graph. So firstly, what is an inflection point? So by definition, the inflection points are the points where the function changes concavity from being concave up or to being concave down or vice versa. So that means the point where the graph changes. At this point, the graph is concave up, and at this point, the graph is concave down. So what we are trying to establish is that when does this transition from up to down happen? Inflection points occur when the second derivative of the function is either 0 or undefined. So what we have to do here to find the inflection point is to find the second derivative and then find the point at which it is equal to 0. So the first derivative of f of x is equal to negative 3x squared plus 13. And then the second derivative of f of x is equal to negative 6x. And then we have to equate this derivative to 0. So we have 0 is equal to negative 6x. And then divide on both sides by negative 6 to get x. That gives us 0 is equal to x. So now that we know that our point of inflection is at x is equal to 0, so now we must find the y part of the coordinate of our point of inflection. So we will fill in x is equal to 0. So we have negative 0 cubed plus 13 times 0 plus 12, which is equal to 12. So the coordinate of our point of inflection is at 0 and 12.